signing up for Yash Raj Films has many perks. So is true at least in the case of Pakistani singer turned actor Ali Zafar, who created ripples with his performance in Tere Bin Laden. After being in news for being a part of YRF's Mere Brother Ki Dulhan, Ali has one more reason to rejoice. That is of his album Jhoom being released by none other than YRF Music itself. And when we caught up with the hunk recently and questioned him about the same, his ecstatic state was for all to see.
तेरे बिन लादेन को बहुत पसंद किया गया, appreciate किया गया. I'm very thankful for the love that I've received, for the appreciation. लेकिन ऐसा है कि मैं चूँकि basically तो एक singer हूँ, तो बहुत से fans ये कहते थे कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि आप एक्टिंग में चले गए और आप गाना छोड़ दें. तो मैं उन्हीं के लिए मैंने फिर ये ज़रूरी समझा कि इस एल्बम को रिलीज़ किया जाए, झूम, जिस पे मैं कई महीनों से, बल्कि 1-2 सालों से काम कर रहा था, 2-3 सालों से. और ये वो एल्बम है जो इसमें वो मैंने कहा है जैसा मैं सोचता हूँ, जो मेरी सोच है, जो मेरा लिखना है. और दिस इज़ ऑल्सो टू शो दैट कि मैं एक्टिंग के साथ साथ म्यूजिक भी जारी रखूंगा.
But for an artist of his caliber to come back to his forte after a successful stint with acting must have required double the effort. So let's get to know what inspired Ali to make his comeback to music with Jhoom.
Jhoom, most of the album I've written myself, I've arranged it, composed it, mixed it, and I've spent countless hours and nights working in the studio. I just think that in today's era, because of the market being driven by commercialism and all these aspects, we're kind of somewhere losing that essence of fertility and permanence and longevity in our music. And I just hope that in some manner, if I can kind of bring that back in and create music which is timeless. Now, I have made that effort. How successful I will be in that, I think people will be the best judge.
But we know none of this is enough unless you hear Ali Zafar crooning yourself.
जितनी तू मिलती जाए उतनी लगे थोड़ी थोड़ी.
All in all, it seems that Ali Zafar has reached a point in his career where most of the things he does will receive good response. And for everything else, there's always YRF. With cameraman Puneet Rawat, this is Dipti Ranglani for Rajshri.com.